Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Camaro SS. Apple Chevy is offering over $3,500 in savings off MSRP towards this vehicle. This Camaro has an automatic transmission and it only has 18 miles on it, which is actually 7,879 miles below market average. This rear-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, a convertible top, 20 by 9.5 inch wheels in the back, and 20 by 8.5 inch wheels in the front. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose speaker system, jet black leather seats with the SS logo. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, cooling seating, heated seating, a heated steering wheel, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.